Hey, what's going on, everyone? First of all, before we get into this video, go over and join the Work at Home Lounge right now. If you want to stay abreast of all of these nuggets that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, there is a wealth of information over there in that group, and I'm just so excited and so overjoyed about the amount of people that are landing gigs from the leads that are shared in that group. So just a quick tip, just make sure that you have a profile picture of you and your account is not brand new, because I do not accept new accounts because there has been a lot of spammers over there. So just make sure that you answer the questions and that you have an account that is not new, okay? But one of the companies that I recommend that you guys come and apply for right now is Uhaul. Uhaul here. So when you come over to the blog, all you're going to do is click on the link and it's going to take you to the application, okay? But they're looking for a customer service reservation agents to work from home. Now, the thing that I love about this position is that they're hiring in all states. So and a lot of you guys out there, if you live in New York or California or wherever, they don't have any state restrictions. At least it says all states here on the job application, okay? They start you out at $10.50 per hour. Let me read you a little bit about what you will be doing. You will be answering incoming calls and providing technical support and assistance with regards to scheduling truck and trailer rentals. So this is for U-Haul again. So pretty much people are going to be calling in wanting to schedule a pickup for a rental truck, and you'll be assisting them with that. Now, keep in mind, you have the ability or the potential to earn up to $14 to $18 per hour, depending on the bonuses. So depending on how many people actually reserve the rental cars, you can receive bonuses from that, okay? All you need to have is some customer service experience. I highly recommend everybody go out and apply for this position. You will be working Mondays, Fridays, and one weekend day is required, okay? And you must be available to work holidays. It doesn't mean that you're going to be working all holidays, but you need to be available to work holidays, okay? Also, you must have a quiet, private work area. So that means if you have, children running around, you definitely need to arrange some sort of childcare for them so that they're not disturbing you while you are working. You'll also need a wireless USB headset with a microphone, and you can get those fairly cheap off of Amazon, okay? Also, tons of others. Daily transcription. You guys should definitely check out daily transcription as well. You have the potential to earn $250 to $900 per month with daily transcription. Also, Lionbridge. They're looking for mobile search reviewers. Okay. TTEC. I think they're still hiring the healthcare customer service representatives. I want you guys to understand that just because something is posted under today's date, it doesn't mean that you can't scroll on through, okay? When you click on the link, if the job posting is still available, you can apply for that position, okay? I know TTEC, we're doing some really massive hiring, as well as support.com. So definitely go over and apply for anything that is available that looks interesting to you. And I will see you guys in the next video.